Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about how to deal with muscle wasting or how to deal with weak muscles or how to make your weak muscles stronger in a natural way with the help of Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, a lot of importance has been given regarding how to maintain your body, how to make your muscle mass perfect, how to nourish your muscles. In many people this happen like they have good body weight, they have good muscle mass, but suddenly their body started looking very lean and thin. According to Ayurveda, this happens because when we have excessive dryness in our muscles or excessive Vata dosha in our body. As you know, in Ayurveda, everything works on the principle of Panch Mahabhuta. That is, as we know, like Vata dosha composed of two major Mahabhutas, that is ether and air. These two elements are in prominence in Vata dosha. So, whenever there is excessive Vata dosha, that means there is excessive Akash element, that is ether element in your body and excessive air element in your body. So, that is why all the symptoms related with Akash element, that is ether element and air element happens in your body. For example, like coldness, like that is the property of air element, cold, dryness, light, non-bulkiness. All these things are happening because there is excessive Vata dosha in your body. As you know, in Ayurveda, there has been a principle of Sapta Dhatus, that is 7 Dhatus or 7 cellular levels, that is Ras, Rakt, Mas, Med, Asthi, Majja, Shukra. So, Mas comes in between. Mas means muscles, Ras means the first state, the juices, then Rakt means blood, then third level is muscular, that is muscle mass. So, for some reasons if you are eating well, everything going well, but you are not able to enhance the muscle mass in your body, how we can get rid of it? Let us see what Ayurveda has to say about it. So, first and foremost thing, we need to remove the causative things which are responsible for enhancing the Vata dosha in your system. That is, when you are very hungry and you are keeping yourself hungry, you are just tolerating your hunger and you are not eating anything. So, if you are doing this, that means you are helping to enhance Vata dosha in your system. And sometimes this also happens, some people has made their diet routines very strict, even they are hungry in between, they are not eating anything, especially in winters, they are not eating, and that is responsible for enhancing your Vata dosha. In Ayurveda recommendation, in afternoons either you can have any fruit or you can have any nuts, or you can have little bit of food if you are eating. If you are not eating morning food in a very proper way, not like brunch kind, like big amount of food, then please don't skip your lunch, because if you are taking very little in breakfast, then make sure like you have your lunch on proper time. Next thing is, if you are not getting your sleep proper, if your sleep is not proper, that is responsible for enhancing the Vata dosha in your system. If you are exerting yourself a lot in some exercise, excessive exercise you are doing, or excessive exertion you are doing, that you are not your body is not able to tolerate it, then this kind of exertion will also lead to enhancement of Vata dosha. Or on the opposite side, if you are not using your body at all, that is also responsible for muscle wasting. So, you need to do exercise, you need to do any physical practice, but into balance, not excess nor less. Another thing you need to check, that is, what about your digestive fire? Is whatever you are eating, is it going to digest well, or it is not getting digested well? And if you are not able to digest whatever you are eating, maybe there is a problem with your digestive fire and some other, because of some other disease associated with it, and that is responsible for your muscle weakening. But if you are able to digest everything well, still you are thinking like muscles are losing, then the diet I am going to recommend today maybe will help you. So according to Ayurveda, if there is no other physical diseases, no other problem is just you are losing muscle mass for some reasons and you are not able to recognize the reason. You are eating well, your diet is well, your food is well of good quality, but still muscles are not gaining strength, then you need to follow Ayurveda principle. That is, we have to enhance the elements that are opposite to ether and air. So those elements are water and earth. So that means we need to enhance the Kapha dosh in our system, and the best way to enhance the Kapha dosh in your system, that is eat more and more sweet fruits, eat full grain diet, eat proper wheat, eat proper legumes, eat proper rice. This is one part, and try to make sure they all are cooked well, so that they will get digested well and you will get proper nourishment. Make sure you don't keep yourself awake very late at night, like 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. That is not good for health, and that will enhance your Vata dosha, and that will cause excessive dryness in your system. In addition to that, avoid excessive use of roasted things. Try to avoid all the junk food from the market. Try to cook everything from your home. This is very important if you are losing muscle weight. In addition to that, try to have ghee in your diet. Regarding ghee also, I have created one more video. Please go to my channel and search for the ghee video and its benefits. How it will tell you how ghee is very beneficial to enhance your digestive fire and to make your muscle mass better. In addition to that, very important is dates. If there is availability of dates in your country or in your place wherever you are living, so what you can do, you can make a date laddu. That is, in India, if somebody is going through a lot of weakness or a lot of, like, if somebody is very lean and thin, we are offering him dates laddu. Date, it's not date, it's date, the edible date. So that is called khajur, the natural dates. So what you can do, take the ratio of dates and ghee in the ratio of 10:1. That means if you are taking 100 dates, you need to take 10, if you are taking 100 grams of date, that means you need to take 10 grams of ghee. Now what you do, you take a pan, put ghee over it, don't heat it too much, just little bit so that it will get melted. Remove the inner seed of these dates, and then just mash it, chop it in some grinder or mixer or whatever you like. And after that, as it will become some kind of pulp, like after chopping little bit, not pulp, it will become a mixture, dry dates mixture actually. Then what you will do, you just roast it in little bit of this ghee, and then make small balls, that is called laddu in India, and just preserve it. You can preserve it for next 15 days, and after 15 days again you can make these. So you can have these kind of laddus after food, one laddu, or in afternoons one laddu like this with a half glass of milk. If somebody drinks milk, they take milk, they can have them with milk. If they don't take milk, they can even take it without milk. So this combination of milk with dates, with ghee, it is very much earth element enhances, it is very much kapha enhancing, and this is very natural tonic, and it's very beneficial to enhance the weight of your body, and it's very beneficial to enhance the muscle mass of your body. They are very sweet in taste, so those people who don't like sweets, if they want to use, they can also put little bit of Himalayan salt or pepper, but I would suggest, like, just eat them as it is without salt or pepper, just like this. These are very tasty. Don't make very big size, just make this kind of size like this, you know, and this kind of size will be very good for everyone. And make sure, like, you should not have sugar in your body, like you should not be diabetic before consuming these kind of laddus or date laddus which I am suggesting with milk, because obviously for if you have diabetes you can't have these kind of laddus, that is obvious thing. But all those people who are just getting lean not because of diabetes insipidus but just naturally, reason is not known, and all the tests clinically are normal, just still they are not able to gain weight. For those people I am suggesting this remedy, and it will be a great help for all of you. If you are not able to digest milk, lactose intolerant, then please don't take milk, just laddu as it is. It's vegan also and it is beneficial. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. Also, if you are watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, those of you who want Ayurveda consultation, please write to me on the given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.